kwan sitie said and some ninchemo ankasa etie. Aposifo yen hwehwemu na wotwe ne mienu ntam ne beto odwa so srani bi enipa bi ekum no wo Ashaiman taifa. Na won mo yen hwehwemu ama beto odwa se emu miensa de won emu nsia babofo ensa ka won mo ne yede won makwa akogina court emu nsam Adom TV Kasee etwaso.
Besena wotwini ena posi adwumayeko no ehyase se wo mu eyen hwehwemu efa enipa bonfo a ekukukum osrani Imoro Sheriff ochiremu se obenimbo somede toso nan ena wonya nte yese okuma brantie bi ewo Ashaiman taifa ewo nkramantemu senti wohyase se wo ko hono makwa yen hwehwemu okoye no so ko hunu sampa obi ewu eda ho eni enimu na ena wohyase se wo yen hwehwemu apede kode pote ya ekuma brantie ebra wo koduru honom no enema bia wo hunu ye sekan ya na moja aye ho a bag nso eda nchen na wo bag ni mu no ohun Samsung tablet baako Apple laptop asrafo atade ya na die bon eye Imoro ene entade enwotwe afeis wasanso Ghana card health insurance eka ho a edia ewoso eye Imoro Sheriff na wo hwe niema ni mu ano no hunu se onipa a wahwere ne nkwan obeye wo sra ne senti ogina so kobo asrafo amane behwe emu no a wodi tu dwasa ampa abrantie eye osra ni o maso ede emu no akwayare sabia ekokoye wo nhwehwemu saada no aposi adwumayeko no enhyehyeye mu no ogina so ekobo awofo a womba ene Imoro Sheriff amane ema wo ma ebusia no yakọ ne bra wo koduru wono na awofo no eyi posi adwumayeko na sotere se womba be ma no wo ye adwuma ewosonwan ne nso waba akra ya wo beje ntete enhyehyemu no ma ne dedi se obenimbo somede toso miensa ena abrantie yi ekosra na danfo baabi ewo Ashaiman New Town enwumre bese nondu abapa husima aduasa na ofribia hono bese ahomache donko abapa musima aduasa obenimbo somede toso enan na obenimbo somede toso enkono posifo ekokokyere safia no musa adodo na afre ne dayogu ene Ibrahim Abdurakib ya na wo mu abo won sese ewo Ashaiman ho baabi ono meka won wakyere wo mu eyesa mo tete adodo na afre ne wiper Ani Abubakar Sadiq adodo na friend and bedman wo mo so kokyere wo mo obenimbo somede toso du enipa mienu eka ho bie ma wasa kyere wo mo Yusuf Muhammad ene Abdul Gafaru Abdul Karim na wo mo de wo kyere wo mo obenimbo somede toso du baako ene obenimbo somede toso du mienu ebio onhwehwemu no ekyere se wotete ene Abubakar Sadiq bese ahomache donko abapa husima aduananum obenimbo somede toso nan no ene okoto sha brantie so wataifa Ashaiman ya no opese wo jenefon ene ne bag ya ne bonachi enso woni wo mo prehu a ena samotete eyi sekan ewo ne hu a wode ewo abrantie yi ensa ejenefon no efiri ne nsem ojiwie ya no odwane ye afei wo sai kokoton fon yi edema Ibrahim Abdurakib a wono nso etoma Safia no Musa sese ya posifo toto Safia no Musa ano no wo kyere se wonim baabi afon ne wo sanse ono nso toma Yusuf Muhammad ye ono nso etoma Abdul Gafaru Abdul Karim nenso wo mu nyina posifo akyere wo mu a wo pe baabi afon no akwakodie posi adwumayeko no akwakobo abusuafo amane akyere wo mo baabi a wayen hwehwemu no akwakoduru wode tu obi biye nim se onya posi adwumayeko ni mu arehwemu na wo mo a wakyere wo mo no so enadwo obenimbo somede toso dum yensa ode wo mebekọ akogina court ama atentrene aye adwuma
so na yebekọ na ye ne bela akwakodi nkom officer amane no ekyiremu a edipa nsia ya bambofo kyere wo mo osusuo sa brantie no wo nim ho bie no yede wo makọ akogina adaka mu atoto wano ansam no kra no yesi etu edi asheda nti yebekọ bela ho yenya no a yede no ebedi enkomo yenya bela yi miento Premtobre Kasee no so na yenko ensam foforo mu ti sabre Isabella gidiglo ewa ahoma no.
The accused persons were brought to court and 6 of them were brought to court, but I am appearing for only 4 of them. That is A3 to A6 specifically. And their charges are simply dishonestly receiving. And so let no one go out here carrying the information that my clients, A3 to A6, were charged for murder. No, there's no iota of evidence brought to the court today to even warrant charging my clients with the offense of murder. Not even the robbery that the first and second accused persons were charged. So my client was simply charged for the offense of dishonest receiving. And it's simply because the police or the prosecution is saying that some of the phones believed to be owned by the late Sheriff Imoro were sold to my clients. And this is a situation that any of us can fall victim to, especially if you don't buy phones from the shops. You can be there, they will come and sell any item to you. That is what is landing them in this situation. But let no one take them as murderers. No. Thank you.
You placed an application for bail for them, but the court.
Yeah, we knew from the onset that it was going to be a tough one. Remember, this case has so much public interest in it. And so on the first day, it's always difficult to get bail. But that will not close us or close the doors on us. We would be here again on the 27th to repeat our bail application. We have pointed to the court that clearly, when you look at especially Yusuf Mohammed, who is A5, the fifth accused person, his name was brought up in the issue first by one of the accused persons, that is A4, Safian. When Safian gave the name Mohammed, and you know, if they say Mohammed, anybody can be Mohammed. Is that not it? And this Mohammed, the fifth accused person, is a very popular guy. And so the police relied on the intelligence from Ashaiman here, and they came to pick the A5.
Womunim hu bi nti edo ma court no Isabella Gidiglo ya manu boni wo court ho ye ne din komo bella wote ye nka ya mo ha ene court be na efre case ne kosi sei
yo me da se and the case no ebepie mu ewo Ashaiman Circuit Court jaja owo anono Mr. Agaga Simon Agaga ono eno ye jaja otunemu ewo court Circuit Court ho and na case no enkofu 6 ya remand omo into police custody omo lawyer no aye Abdul Fatah Alhassan so nko be pre na 3 to 6 6 no ya be mo bail enso no Council of State omo lawyer Emma State no aye Ura Sylvester Asari any judge any accused for normal counsel no actually asenu ye pa Emma judge no ka se na nyama esi kono ye ma accused persons 3 to 6 no ye ma omo baila e be temper with investigations you know e be ye say ye inform enhye aban kukum na 26 of this month March omon sambra na omon betia asem no so na ni nemu ni nkofu ya yachi omuni na no dudo na omo plead not guilty omo say omo enyo omo na omo ye nti no nyame ya Adom 27 e bepie mu e wo court na e be hwese na e besi akọ
na abrantie Sharif abusuan na bi ba hu bi wo court na omo bobre ne te say
na court enkofu bebre eba na sana nyama esi ekoye na ye ni mpose enkofu dudro na ye ni nsa asem no ebeba de piemu ewo Ashaiman ye ni na ni nse asem ye bedi ewo tema ye wo tema hono ma na omo ka se ye ndi wo tema biom na omo bedi wo asem no ewo Accra enti ye wo ho kakra na ene esenya information se asem no tema judges no mo ko training bi nti ye de nkofo no ebepie mu wo Ashaiman Circuit Court nti ye no na edi ni ka ebepie mu wo ha nti nti nkofo dudro na enim se case ne kra ye bi no wo Ashaiman ha nti nti no nkofo dudro na case ni hi omo no omo ambepie mu wo ha nti but omo wo around omo nya nti ye say ye the guys no aba Ashaiman Circuit Court no ino omo ba around
Isabella Yenfonsi ayada se papa nyame nkoso nka ho saa na adwuma hoye Isabella Gidiglo yamane boni ne on ekopie mu Ashaiman Circuit Court mu nsam no de abani nti case no yetu edi ashada 27th March na se mrantie nsia no mbesa aba na nsam no yatwa ne die so